Well, might as well continue to show you the whole process. I'm going to protect my thumb and index finger with tape. So I'm going to be doing a lot of sanding, and it can hurt my fingers if I'm not careful. So I tape them like this so they can touch things and not get hurt. And then I'll put on a fresh pair of rubber gloves like this, because I'll be working with stones, and it's not an easy process, as you'll see. I'm going to take you down with me. Here's our button, and here we go down to the basement to do the rest of this. So we're a little bit over halfway done, and see if I can close the garage door here with the bike on the way it is easily. Okay, let's make sure here. Okay, it cleared. Down we go into the dungeon. Okay. This is the other work area. There's actually 2 or 3 work areas in the house. Okay, we're coming here. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of get this work area cleaned up. I was doing some gluing here. I don't remember what of. All my glues go into here. Get some more light here. Shoe glue, found a gasket, JB Weld, leather glue, new JB Weld, more JB Weld. Okay, that goes over like that, and this is the stone. So the first step here, let me see if we're lined up correctly for you to watch this. I think so. Okay, my first step is I've got to get a drill bit into here to give me some grip. Okay, now see what I got to get that bump off. That's where it was connected to the piece of metal, and you want to see this, so let me bring you around to here so you can watch what I do. It has dawned on me that this is a lot of work to do, but I enjoy the fact that musicians enjoy what I do quite a bit. The people who get my stuff are usually pretty excited about it, and I like that. And it improves the feeling of play. See, I'm starting to smooth it down back here. And this circle. That'll bring me a little flatter here, and that completes what I'll do with the stone. I think trying to make it as smooth as I can. Okay. You would think that I'm going to change your angle here, just because you'll get a better look at what's going on over this way. You would think that this could be automated to some extent. Well, the problem with automation, I can make it faster, but it doesn't do it better. The hand work, believe it or not, is superior. So I blew a big circle, and then that'll clean a bigger area, see? Show you where we're at right now. So I'm close. I'm just trying to get all those circles out of there. This concentric circles caused by the process. So I'm just kind of doing this, spinning it around. finer paper here. I want that back end of this button smooth with no little lines on it. Like that. See, all the circular lines are gone. Now I have to get in here. Having completed this, I've got a little bit more of a line I want to get rid of here. Come up with this paper. Now let's take a look. Yeah, all the vestiges of the cut lines are gone. We take a look at it, see? And now I've got to create the correct texture to match the other side, and that's done with a spin. Just by hand. To create a swirl that will match the rest of the swirl on the button. See? Like that. Oop. And because that touched the ground, just to be safe, I'm going to do it again. It's got to be perfect. Alright, you have here's this and this. Looks very nice. That's a perfect button then, see? Now, the next thing to do, I got to get up, I got to clean this, and I'm going to pull these gloves. I use these because, see, if I didn't have the tape on here, once it scrapes through the rubber, which it'll do quickly, it'll start scraping my finger and you can really hurt yourself. So I cave on that method. The next thing is I'm going to go up, fresh gloves, wipe this off carefully and paint it. And that's the end of the job.